In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Quip. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple line of text into a clear, trackable task inside any Quip document, whether you're on the web, desktop, or mobile. First, open Quip in the way that works best for you. You can use the web app in your browser or the desktop or mobile app if you already have it installed. Once Quip is open, navigate to the document where you want to add your task. If you don't have one yet, create a new document. Give it a clear title so it's easy to find later, and then click into the body of the document where you want the task to appear. This can be within an existing section or as part of a new list you're starting. Now let's add the checklist. Quip makes this really fast with a simple typing shortcut. On a new line, type an open square bracket, a close square bracket, and then a space. That's the character's left bracket, right bracket, followed by the space bar. As soon as you press the space, Quip automatically converts those brackets into a checkbox, setting you up for a task line. If you don't see the checkbox appear, double-check that you included the space after the brackets, because that triggers the conversion. If you prefer not to remember shortcuts, you can also add a task using the formatting controls. Look for the formatting toolbar in your document and choose the checklist or task option. On mobile, this may be in the formatting bar or under a plus icon, depending on your screen size. Either way, once you select the checklist option, Quip will place a checkbox on your line so you can start typing your task. With the checkbox in place, write your task description. This is simply the text that follows the box. For example, you might type, "Finish the budget report." Aim to start with a clear action verb and keep it specific so you know exactly what needs to be done when you come back to it later. If it helps, add a short clarifier, like a file name or a deadline phrase, right in the same line. Keep it concise, but include enough detail so anyone reading the document understands the task at a glance. That's it. Open or create your document. Add a checklist either by typing the brackets and a space, or by using the toolbar, and then type your task description right after the checkbox. You now have a clean, simple task in Quip that fits neatly into your document workflow.